Bitcoin is down to $115,000, ladies and gentlemen. I might have jinxed it because yesterday I said, hey, who knows, maybe Bitcoin's going to crash again and it's going to be a red month. Maybe it is. I don't know. We're going to have to wait, right? I mean, there's still 11 days left. So let's see what happens. But guys, Bitcoin, it's currently at $115,000 as mentioned before. If you actually take a look at the chart, we can see we started off at 117. The whole week has been pretty just choppy, right? Not much going on, pretty much just stagnant, right? A bit more volatility towards the end of the week here, which I mean, hey, makes sense. I'll see how the weekend does, but you know, it makes sense. Wednesday is when we saw the rate cuts, and ever since, we've just been pretty volatile. Okay, so in the past month, guys, we're still pretty much at neutral as well. In the past year, we're only up 80% now, okay? Which is going to be very interesting come around November time. It's going to be very cool to see where we're at. Now, if you guys do enjoy these videos, I just ask that you guys do me a quick favor. Link down below, there is a link to the best wallet. If you guys support the channel and you enjoy these videos, it would mean a lot to me if you guys could download the wallet link down below, okay? Now, let's talk about it. Bitcoin, okay? So by the TLDR, this really needs to get updated because it's just bullshit now. It just says ETF expansion, which like whatever, DeFi innovation, which is like whatever, mining central. Like guys, we need to like. I think CoinMarketCap AI could do a much better job. But yeah, I mean, when you research for 12 seconds, I guess yeah, like that's pretty much it. But anyways, Bitcoin will set you free. I want to share this image with you guys where I believe we have covered this image before, but there's like a garage sale or like a warehouse with a bunch of shit. One guy is bringing stuff, you know, the latest craze, bits, useless stuff, more stuff, new cars, shiny new things, exotic qualities, new clothes, a bunch of different things in, you know, huge different boxes, multiple boxes, as opposed to one guy who's just holding one Bitcoin, right? And I'd argue with one Bitcoin, you can get all of this and more. Okay, so really puts things into perspective, right? I feel like everyone should just be chasing that one Bitcoin because one Bitcoin will set you free. Now, NASDAQ listed Zeus Power approves plan to buy $180 million of Bitcoin for its treasury. 95% of the proceeds will go directly into BTC. I'm guessing the other 5% is towards, I don't know, like maintaining it. I couldn't tell you, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Regardless, you know, obviously more companies buying Bitcoin. That's $180 million of Bitcoin right now that is taken away from your and my hands. Now, this was pretty cool, guys. We covered it yesterday as well, but there is now a golden Donald Trump statue holding Bitcoin outside of the U.S. Capitol, right? Pretty freaking cool. Yeah, I mean, I've been to Washington DC before. I'd love to go and see this, maybe take a picture of it as well, or a picture with it. That'd be pretty interesting, I think. Now, more bullish news. Bitcoin Hyper has now raised $17 million. If you guys don't already have a bag of this, you guys are definitely missing out. I'll leave a link down below. All you gotta do is click buy with crypto. You guys can go ahead and buy, because yeah, guys, this is pretty freaking solid. 17 million. I think it's going to continue to grow and grow and grow, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Now, asset manager Vanguard discloses $50 million in MetaPlanet holdings, which is interesting because MetaPlanet obviously is known for their Bitcoin, but Vanguard won't offer clients Bitcoin ETFs. Interesting. Now, holding Bitcoin has now been profitable for over 99.5% of its history. Guys, literally, all you have to do is buy Bitcoin and hold, okay? And finally, guys, Thailand, for all the ladyboys out there, shout out to you guys, or girls, or whatever, they now offer 0% capital gains tax on Bitcoin and crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, it's never been a better time to go to Thailand. But guys, that is it for today. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.